So hi there everyone, in this particular video what we are going to talk about how you can use AI to create AI based YouTube videos for yourself uh, with any sorts of niche. Yeah, you heard that right. So without any further ado, let's get into the screen and where I will be sharing you how you can use this particular AI tool which is on a beta test right now, so you can use it and do a hit and trial method for yourself, and you can justify if it's good for yourself, then you can get the paid plan as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the screen and start this particular video. So yeah, um, let me minimize myself so it would be much more better. So I already search this particular web page, rather. Yeah, this is something we can go with. Yeah, let me take myself to. So this is the landing page that they have. Wow, this is so fancy. Not super fancy, but yeah, very call to actionable. And so basically, they are helping us to transform our own ideas to script, and also a realistic voiceover, how to create a high quality image, so customize subtitle, and pretty much it. So what we need to do is click on this particular free sign up and get to this particular option. And once we get into this, let's sign up with any of our email ID. Once we get into this, so basically we need to create a video right there. So we have some 170 free credits as a free trial. So then what we have to type here is like write, otherwise create. Otherwise, what we can ask is like how to start digital marketing as a beginner. Done. So once we search here, so basically they want the script should be an auto mode or short time or a motivation, a story time or motivational quick tips and life hacks as well. So what we need to do is I want this to be more quick tips as well, and I don't have any reference videos as well, so I don't want that. So let's choose as US language and create a generate script for ourselves. Once we get it's a pretty much simple script, but not that much that we required. But yeah, if you have any script, you can paste it over there with 485 words or characters. So yeah, maybe characters. Okay. Once then you can choose any background music if you want. By default they have chosen and I want the voice called as Shelly. Once we click on there, so they will use 60% credit, like not 60%, the 60 credit. And once you uh like they told us to just wait for 5 minutes. So yeah, let's see what they are doing within a 5 to 8 minute. And yeah, so what is extra in this particular tool? See, I know you may want to create some videos without revealing your face, right? So what you can do is you can simply use this particular tool for yourself and just create some videos out there in the market. If you have a very high quality script for your videos, more persuasive and all. And what uh, we want to be a premium subscription, but for as of now, for as of now, we are using this particular tool for a free tutorial videos for you. And yeah, many of these videos are getting viral nowadays. And if you have a very better script with yourself, you can just buy this premium subscription. And yeah, we got this video. Let's see. Into the world of digital marketing. Start by learning the basics, setting clear goals, explore different strategies and tools, and don't be afraid to experiment. Consistency is key, so stay focused and keep learning. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient and persistent on your journey to mastering digital marketing. Wow, this is something very simple video, because they may be using ChatGPT at the backend. So yeah, this is pretty much it about. But the thing is, you can't, if you are a beginner, you don't want to use this particular watermark. Okay, so what you just need to do is just click on this buy option. You can buy any one that you want and check the offer that suits you the most. And once you get, you can just absolutely download it by using 30 credit as much required right now to just download, but I don't want to download it. But yeah, it's a free tutorial video. And yeah, if you want such tips related to like how you can start your content production with any such crazy tool, what you just need to do is stay tuned for every next video that I'm uploading for you. And keep a simple note with yourself if you want. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you really want to watch my videos repeatedly and learn something more interesting. For that, this was the video. And yeah, if you want the link, I will be putting the link in first comment or in description box as well. So thank you for watching this particular video. And yeah, meet you in the next upcoming videos. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.